Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Julian, and today we'll be talking about a new praise. Have you ever found yourself in a constant state of waiting? I know I have. This seems to be a typical part of my life where I wait for the things that I really want. But what I know is that the things that you wait for, that you really want, sometimes they're worth waiting for. The flip side to that is that waiting can be hard. It can be discouraging when you feel like you've worked hard for something and it still hasn't come to reality. Kind of like King David, he was anointed by Samuel to be king at a super young age, but it wasn't until he was 30 years old when it finally came to reality. And not only did he have to wait, but he had to run and hide because King Saul wanted him dead. But there truly is a time and a place for everything. And I can imagine the joy that he felt when the day finally came for him to be king and he was delivered from his foes. Let's read Psalm 40, verse 3 together. He has given me a new song to sing, a hymn of praise to our God. Many will see what he has done and be amazed. They will put their trust in the Lord. Don't you just love the feeling of having something new in your grasp? Like the smell of a new car, new clothes, new shoes, new friendships. These are all material things that feel good for a moment, but when God gives us a new thing to praise about, it can last forever. David received a new song to sing, a hymn of praise to our God. He waited on the Lord for quite some time to be delivered from his foes, and the Lord heard him. This remarkable deliverance would persuade many to trust the Lord. His story, his deliverance, inspired a new song of praise to sing to our God. And I'm here to tell you that your story, your waiting, will bring a new praise to our God as well. And your story will bring a people to a place where they can see the victory that you've experienced, and they too would learn to trust God. So let me ask you this question. What can you praise God for today? Don't give up hope, but trust in the Lord with your whole heart, and he will come through for you. And when he does, sing a new song of praise and give him the honor that he deserves.